Hey, this is Jenny Jones. Welcome to the AI Growth TV Hub. Right. So, what we're going to talk about today is surprise drop happened today with a company by the name of AppSumo. Maybe you've heard of them, maybe you haven't, but they're a company that puts together these lifetime deals for people who are members of their actual website. Now, I am running a special offer. If you're not a member, there's going to be additional 10% savings you can get. But what they did today was they dropped what's called Sumo Day, right? And that's going to give you an additional 10%. If you're already a member, you're going to get another 10%. So it's probably around, it normally comes out to around 17%, anywhere between 17 to 20%. But we're going to take a look at some of the tools that they have going on. I think it's going to last for the next 3 days. So let's go to my desktop. They did sponsor this video, so I want to thank AppSumo for sponsoring this video. And I want you to take a look at a tool that when they asked me, they said, "Hey, you know, are you interested in sponsoring? You want to sponsor a video for us?" I said, "Listen, it's got to do with AI because that's my whole shift. So we're going to look at this AI tool that I'm going to show you where I extended it and where you can extend it, where it can help you and your clients as well." Let's go to my desktop. We may look at a couple of more over the next few days, but I want to look at this one juicy one that no one saw coming. Let's go to my desktop. Let's take a look at the lay of the land, what they got here. All right, so we're over here at my desktop. Now, it's going to be 19% off. I knew it came up to around 7. I can't remember if it was 17% or 19% or 20%. Anyway, so it comes out to about 19%. It's site wide. Let's look at some of the tools that we have here. You have some of these special ones: Brilliant Directories, new on Writer, Pretty Prompt. What else do we have here? Snooze is sneaky. Then we have Mini Course Creator. We have FuseBase. We have Cast Magic. Juicy tool. Video to Blog, Letterly, Brand 5, Rabbit, Hafley. Yeah, and so those are the number one tools. But I think site wide, those came back exclusive. But these are site wide. Anything that they've already had here previously, you can get at a little discount here. I see Flexi Funnels is back. Master add-ons, direction list, mini course. Had a lot of them here. $1 million business giveaway, win a MacBook, Neo, Claude, Max, and more. So you can enter to win there. But other than that, it's site wide. So we're going to take a look at a couple of these tools over the next few days. One of the tools that they did a sponsorship on, they asked me to take a look at it. Let's talk about it here. That is where it is. Where is the tool at? Where is the tool at? They wanted me to take a look. I don't even know where the tool is at. Where's it at? Let's take a look at the tool here. Oh, here we go. So you had a lot of tools that dropped. I'm impressed. So one of the tools I'm going to take a look at, let's take a look at a tool called Follower, right? So what Follower is, it is it's a scheduler, right? So you can set this up for your clients. You can set up their scheduling for their social media posts, whether it be their, I think TikTok, YouTube. We have to look at a couple of them, but this is what the company did is they created this studio, right? And it turns ideas into AI avatars, viral shorts, videos, and captions. Now, some of you may already have Follower, but you probably want to know what you're getting with Follower Studio. So I'm going to do my best. I had a conversation with the founders like, hey, what are we getting? What's going on? And I'm going to take you and walk you through what it actually has, right? So what it actually has is, I'm going to show you what I did to it, right? So basically what's included in this plan is they're going to give you AI media credits, $500 a month here on the tier 1, storage of 50 gigabytes, team members up to 5, and up to 5 different companies. So you can create a small mini, if you will, agency, and you can manage up to 5 companies, their brand, and you can put together AI studio, avatars, and viral shorts for this company. So if you're a small agency, I think this would be great for you if you only had 5 clients. Of course, tier 2 gives you 15 clients. And of course, tier 3 gives you up to 30 clients. Now, the normal price for AI Studio, I want to say, is $45 a month. And I think you get, this is around what you get here for $45 a month or so. So instead of buying it regular, you can get the deal here for a one-time cost of $169. If you've never used AppSumo before, I do have a coupon that you can use as well. I don't know if you can use them all together, but that would be nice. I think you can. I have to look at the rules, but I'll post it. And if you can use it and apply that coupon as well, you can. I don't think you have to. You couldn't have been an AppSumo customer in the past if you're brand new. I do have an additional coupon. I'll post that in there as well. So this tool is going to give you a studio. We're going to take a look at it, but let me tell you what you're able to do with Follower. We're going to look at Follower, and I'm going to show you my Follower Studio add-on. And those you may already have Follower, you can see how Follower has been extended. So let me show you how I'm using Follower, right? Let's take a look at it. So how I'm using Follower, what I did, right? So one thing that Follower gave you the ability to do is Follower gave you the ability to embed their white label. So you can have your own website for Follower. Let me show you what that looks like. Oops. So you have your own website they give you, and it's just really a login screen, right? You give somebody access to the login screen. What I did is because it has an embed, I built my own wrapper around it. I built my own landing page. And this is called social media. It's called Social Lift that I'm using here locally with the company that I'm working with, my marketing agency here. And I says, hey, you want to, I created this with my Elk Grove marketing agency, and I set people up with this, people are in my businesses. And I say, hey, I'm going to be, as an agency, I want to be able to help you grow your social media presence. And they says, okay. I said, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you access to my software that I help people schedule and put posts together. And they said, great. What I basically have is a Follower white label plan. Everything you need to succeed: smart scheduling, AI content creation, advanced analytics, multi-platform. So I put all this together on my, in this wrapper. When I say a wrapper, I basically used a vibe coding tool and created this landing page, but I also added the embed in here. So this embed comes from Follower. So I use the same color scheme, same aesthetics here, and it says access your dashboard. It basically brings you down here, and a person's able to log in with Google, Facebook, or Twitter, or email. So they're able to log in with that. And now what it does is it brings them to a dashboard. So it brings them to the dashboard. Oh, I logged out. So let me log back in really quick. Stand by. So we're logged into my Follower dashboard. Now, this is regular Follower. Now, what people have been asking is, okay, so what is Follower Studio? So what Follower Studio is, it gives you these additional ways. So what you normally, when you first bought Follower, they gave you they helped you create your post, put your post together. They gave you a post generator here, and they helped you put your post together, and they helped you scheduler. So you can use Facebook, X, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, Medium, Pinterest, Threads, YouTube, and then Blue Sky. So these are all the different, and you can manage these for your clients. So these are all the different setups that you have here. You can have a calendar here. You can put things in a calendar for things to post. And then you create your post here, right? You go here, you say, hey, I want to create a new post, and so on and so forth. I want to create, I don't know, Instagram post, or what have you, and you go through and you create your Instagram posts. All right, so that's normally what you can actually do, right? So let me get back here. Let's get out of here. So what Studio allows you to do is Studio allows you to extend to your clients. And again, if you get that first tier, that's 5 clients. I think if you get the second tier, that's 15. And I think the third tier gives you 30 clients. And what you're able to do is you're able to extend to them AI videos, right? So it basically added AI to your platform. So you're able to create stunning videos for your social medias using advanced AI models. So they basically added AI with the Studio. They added it inside the actual platform itself. You can create AI videos here, create stunning AI generated videos. Let's create one. Let's go ahead and create one here. Create a guy driving to the store and he gets out to go buy a carton of milk. He then comes out of the store and gets back into his vehicle. All right, so this is a good one. It has pretty good characters here. You can use an AI model here. Choose a model, AI model here. So we'll choose this model. We'll use a reference here. We'll use our logo here. That's the logo I want you to use. Add news articles, URLs. We can do that. I want this to be, we'll go 16:9. So we'll use this for YouTube or something like that. And we'll make it, 8 seconds. So let's see what happens here. Now, this is 400. Now, what you got to realize is this is 400. Let's go as this is creating this. So this was 400 tokens, right? So we'll go here. Let's go back and look at it here. 400 tokens. So you get 500 with the tier 1. Now, these are the AI media credits. So creating a video costs money as it is. So to me, if you're going to do a couple of them, you at least want to get at least a tier 2. So you get 1,500 credits here and you get 15 companies. So that's how that works. But that costs us 500 to create that video. We'll come back to it. Let's see what happened. What else they have here. So you can publish to all the social media channels. I just showed you those. We had anything from Threads to YouTube to LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and so on. And you get to plan it out. So you can say, hey, every Monday, plan something for me, right? And you can have, what else they have here? You can actually create your own avatar, right? And so you can do that as well. So what you're creating is a studio for your clients to use. And also, I know with Follower, you can just turn those off. Like a client may, if you set it up for planning them to work with you and say, yeah, I have an additional AI studio. You can say, I added an additional AI studio inside your profile for an additional $10 a month. So you can charge them for that to cover your cost, or allow them to pay you, and then you'll be able to get them access to that. So let's see what our video was able to create here. Let's see how good it is. All right, so here we got the man getting out of the car. He's got to go in and get a loaf of bread, right? That's funny. He gets out with the carton of milk, but we didn't really give it that best. So the logo's there in the front. He gets out the store. He gets out, but the carton of milk appears in his hand. So we can probably clean this up. The unfortunate part about it is we've already spent 400 tokens right here. So you have to be very careful of what it is that you select. So that could be a scene. So if we started this as a scene, we could just cut the scene when he gets out of the door, and then we can pick the scene back up here. So that's kind of how that works. You can download it here. See right here, if you're editing, you can just cut that. Once he does that, we just cut the scene and then we show him getting back into the car. So you can see that. But this is what they're giving you. Your clients will have access to this, right? So, so that's just one way of using this. So that's the AI video, create an AI video. Then you can come here. You can create your first avatar, right? You can add voices to it. So let's create your first avatar. Who would you like to create? So these are just studio items that you can add in there. But again, I like the fact that, so I have the white label. I have what people say is I have 10 codes. I have that. So you can then come back and then just add your studio to it. So again, I really like what they did with this. They're giving you the ability to do that and to extend those services to your clients. Yeah, so that's for today. That is a sponsored video from AppSumo for Follow a Studio. I just wanted you guys to see how easy that looked. And again, you can take the, you can extend it because this is the actual login page here, but I embedded it in I built my own wrapper. I can probably put my own pricing plan here if I wanted to, but this is if a person's already paid for access. I'll give them access to this and then they can just go and log in. So this is the login page. Then I'll just take them from the pricing and all that. So I think what I love the most about this is you can make this your own. These are all of my colors that I used here, right? So let's see here. And again, you can get this deal ends in 3 days. You'll see a link in the description. You can pick that up. It's not going to be any additional cost to you by using my link in the description. It helps support the channel. And if you're part of my community, I probably will be giving out a tier 2. I think I'm going to give out a tier 2 of Follower Studio for my community. So if you're in my community, I will be giving that out just for the simple fact of the sponsorship of this video. I appreciate them doing that for me. I appreciate Follower doing that. I appreciate AppSumo doing that. Hey, this has been our first look at Sumo Day. I got a couple of things I want to look at over the next couple of days. So make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. You guys have been great out there. Thanks again for your support of the channel. And make sure you use my links in the description. That's going to support the channel. Allow me to be able to bring more discounts to you and to be able to bring more gifted tools to you as well. You guys take care. Goodbye for now.